If you need a translation, that just means come here. Ciao, folks. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Matt from Fidel Gastro's. A little while back, we did this thing called Italian-a-fying, where I took dishes that weren't necessarily Italian and I found a way to make it so. Today, I'm gonna do poutine that's done like Margherita Pizza. So, let's Italian-a-fy some Canadian poutine, shall we? Lovey, lovey, vinegar. Step one to any good poutine dish is obviously your patati, your potatoes. I'm using russet potatoes mainly because when I fry russets, I love the skin. I find they get super crispy. We're gonna blanch the potatoes first in a little bit of water, and then we're gonna fry them to get crispy. You get a pot of water. You don't have to actually preset the heat. You're actually gonna turn it on and add your potatoes. You actually want the heat to come up with the potato, that way it cooks evenly. While that's doing its thing, we're gonna start SUGO sauce. I'm gonna start some sauce. Get a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of onions and garlic. I'm gonna cook that off first. Super important not to let this burn. All right, so we're gonna turn down our heat and we are gonna add our crushed tomatoes to it. Get that all stirred in nicely. You gotta cook down the acidity in the tomatoes. I actually like to add a little nobular of butter. That helps get it nice and creamy, especially because the tomato sauce here is meant to emulate gravy. Stir it around. So that butter, as it's melting into the sauce, you can see it's just making it creamier, thicker, exactly what we want. My potatoes are blanched. They are like 80% cooked. I'm gonna remove them from the water, but before I do that, I'm gonna take a little spoonful of that starchy potato water and just add it to the tomato sauce. Really, the more liquid that we add and cook down, the less acidic the sauce is. We're gonna take our potatoes out. Okay, potatoes are blanched. I'm just gonna lightly dust them with some flour, oil to get nice and crispy. We're gonna obviously do this in stages, that way we don't overcrowd the oil and bring down the temp too much. So some of the fries are ready, so I'm just gonna start to transfer to a plate that has a paper towel there to absorb some of that excess oil. All right, so we have the last batch of fries just frying up. What's great about doing the potatoes this way is because we par-cook them in the water, we're really just frying to a visual preference. I love that nice golden brown. They're nice and crispy because we tossed them in flour first. You don't have to guess. There's no assuming like, are they done yet? You know they're cooked. It's purely, does it have that color you're looking for? Fries are fried, they're in the dish. I'm just gonna lightly salt them. Now we have our cheese curds. You could use buffalo mozzarella or bocconcini if you want. So now we have our SUGO. It's reduced beautifully. It's nice and thick like gravy. Adding a little fresh basilico. So if you like spice, this would be the time to do it as well. You can use chili flakes, a little bit of chili oil. I'm gonna finish mine off with a little Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. Margherita Poutine. Well, there you have it, folks. Another Italian-a-fy recipe in the books from me to you, from everybody to enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel on the YouTube, and in the comments, let me know what dish, any dish, you'd like to see me Italian-a-fy.